pizza dough from scratch. Yup, yup, yup.
Wowee.
Hey, do you want both of them open or just one? Both or one?
Hi vlog, this is Charlotte. We're trying this
Valentine celebration cake cookies.
yes, exactly. Okay.
I know what you're thinking, but you could really look cool. However, that's about Josh.
Like the soyo cake batter for you.
Oh my gosh, wait, you're right.
No, he's in love with her.
I really like the cake. I was actually talking to Tamara about this.
Yeah, because it's
Yeah, because that's her sister.
that's Kitty.
That's actually Kitty?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
But it's actually pretty
That's her
good.
sister.
It's very sweet, but it's actually better than I expected.
How?
You didn't know?
No, I haven't watched it.
The strawberries make like so pink.
Oh, yeah. I'm excited. Wait, you can use anything. Okay, okay.
I don't know what this one's called. Okay.
That means great. Cam? 3, 2, Cam? No, I haven't. Have you? You know she's still with that guy? Yeah. Okay, because we still snap each other.
I like
We
it.
don't use it. No, yeah. That.
That's a very strawberry flavor.
Oh, this one? We still do streaks with each other, but like that's it. My dad, so we had to be careful.
So don't burn anything in this cupcake. Lynn, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
My vlog and her giant hand.
It's right here.
Your hand is big. Oh, sorry.
Do you have a spatula?
This is good. Okay, walking in.
Oh wait, this is covered. Oh, our dough got bigger.
You're so cute. I'm gonna do it. Until 90% melted. Okay, so remember? Yeah, remember to not let it.
Let all the way.
Yeah, all of it. Oh goodness.
Do you want to do?
Yeah, or we can take it. Wait, do you want to put these back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, my thing is like rock solid.
How much do you
Thank you.
Bro, this thing is how did Jimmy get hers like that? What are you trying to do? Make it stretchy. Like, you know, spin the pizza. Make it spin. Oh, they're trying to make it see. Oh yeah, window pane test. Like more of this one. Oh, oil. Oh yeah, there's more. Is there more oil?
Oh yeah.
Okay, like sort of like. Oh, okay, okay. Here we go. What are you doing? Filming. I thought you were trying to steal Amy. No.
Who's filming?
When did? Are these the dating?
Oh, I suck at this.
Wait, Pusha, did you want to put on gloves and then you could make a wait? Who? You put oil on it.
But now that she's dating Taylor, I think
She
it's
has like
okay.
dating?
Not really. Like they're going on dates.
How do I use it? Oh, not for me and her, like, the cheating video, we had to, like, retake it. Oh, yeah, no, people were mad at her. But, like, okay, people were, like, we were okay because she helped us. Like, she didn't help me, but she helped all of us. Together? Wait, that's small.
ugly.
Wait, where's everything?
Yeah, that's like that.
Never give
Also,
up.
I lost my voice.
Oh, God, I thought you were gonna say something else. I was like, what?
What?
I don't know. That was just like out of nowhere. I was like, what?
Oh yeah, and then can't even. Oh, I just realized you got all of that meat on the show.
No,
It's just weird.
it's okay. Because I was talking shit too.
Yeah.
then later she found out that she did apply and she didn't tell no one. And yeah, it was just like,
Guys,
Abby.
I literally give up.
Wait, why?
Oh my gosh, we forgot about it. The what's it called? Canape? Yeah. We forgot. Yeah, we put it in the freezer and it's supposed to chill, but is it raw pop?
I don't know, because is this Pooja's, right? It's a little thick, so I don't know if it's good.
I think just everyone's off and go sorry.
Peaceful. Whoa. That actually looks so good. Yes. There's Joycelyn. There's Christy. So cute.
Does anyone want to see it?
See what? Yours? Oh.